Do you ever wonder why some websites load faster than others, despite having high-quality images? The secret lies in image optimization. You see, every image on a website takes up space. The larger the image file, the longer it takes to load. That's where image optimization comes into play. It's a process that reduces the file size of your images without compromising their visual quality. This process is critical for several reasons. Firstly, it enhances website speed. It's no secret that internet users are an impatient bunch. A study by Google found that more than half of mobile users will leave a site if it takes longer than 3 seconds to load. By optimizing your images, you're effectively reducing the load time of your website, keeping your visitors happy and engaged. Secondly, image optimization improves user experience. Have you ever tried to view a website with slow-loading images? It's frustrating, right? Now imagine that's your website, and your potential customers are the ones getting frustrated. Not a great scenario. Optimizing your images ensures a smooth, seamless user experience, which can lead to longer site visits and potentially more conversions. Finally, image optimization boosts your SEO ranking. Search engines like Google consider site speed as one of their ranking factors. By optimizing your images and improving your site's speed, you're not only improving user experience, but also your chances of ranking higher on search engine results pages. But here's the thing. Image optimization isn't just about resizing your images. It involves several steps that ensure your images retain their quality while reducing their file size. It's about finding the right balance between quality and file size. Now that you understand why image optimization is crucial, let's delve into how it works. Image optimization may sound technical, but it's all about the right techniques and tools. Let's break it down into 3 main steps: selecting the right file format, resizing and cropping images, and compressing images. Firstly, selecting the right file format is crucial. Different formats like JPEG, PNG, and GIF have their own set of advantages and are used based on the requirement of the image. For instance, JPEG is a great choice for photographs due to its ability to handle a vast amount of colors, whereas PNG is perfect for images that need a transparent background. Choosing the correct format can significantly reduce the size of your image without compromising quality. Next, resizing and cropping images is an important step in image optimization. High-resolution images may look fantastic, but they also take up a lot of bandwidth, slowing down your website. By resizing your images to fit perfectly within the content area of your website, you can maintain the visual appeal without sacrificing speed. Cropping, on the other hand, allows you to focus on the most important part of the image, further reducing the file size. Lastly, compressing images is the final step in the optimization process. Compression tools help reduce the file size of your image without degrading the visible quality. This is achieved by removing unnecessary metadata from the image file. But remember, there's always a trade-off between size and quality. The trick is to find the sweet spot where the image still looks good, but is as small as possible in size. These steps may seem simple, but they can make a world of difference to your website's performance and user experience. And the best part? You don't have to be a technical wizard to carry them out. With these steps in mind, you're ready to start optimizing your images. But how exactly do you go about it? Image optimization is a step-by-step process that requires careful execution. Let's dive into the nitty-gritty of image optimization, breaking it down into manageable steps. We begin with the selection of the appropriate file format. JPEG, PNG, and GIF are the 3 most common formats you'll encounter. JPEGs are ideal for photographs and complex images with lots of colors. PNGs are best for images with fewer colors, like logos, and they support transparency. GIFs are your go-to for animations. Next, we move to resizing and cropping images. This is a crucial step in maintaining image quality while reducing file size. The key is to maintain the aspect ratio, which is the relationship between the image's width and height. If you alter this ratio, your images can appear distorted. So, how do you do it? Well, most image editing tools have a lock aspect ratio feature. By using this, you can change one dimension, and the other will adjust automatically to maintain the ratio. Another part of this step is to be mindful of the display size. If an image is only going to be displayed at a maximum width of 800 pixels on your website, there's no need to upload it at a width of 2000 pixels. Doing so will only slow down your page load time without any improvement in visual quality. Now, on to cropping. Cropping is a fantastic way to eliminate unnecessary parts of an image, focusing the viewer's attention on the most important elements. Remember, cropping doesn't have to be drastic. Even a small trim can make a significant difference. The final step in our image optimization journey is compression. Image compression reduces the file size without degrading the visual quality of the image below an acceptable level. It's like magic, but how does it work? Well, there are two types of compression: lossy and lossless. Lossy compression removes data from your image that won't be missed, like extraneous metadata. Lossless compression, on the other hand, reduces file size without removing any data. It's like squeezing a sponge. Once you release it, it returns to its original form. There are numerous tools out there to help with image compression. Some popular ones include TinyPing, Compressed JPEG, and Adobe Photoshop's Save for Web feature. These tools can drastically reduce your image file sizes, helping your website load faster and perform better. In conclusion, image optimization may seem like a daunting task, but with the right steps and tools, it can be a breeze. It's all about choosing the right file format, resizing and cropping smartly, and compressing effectively. By following these steps, you can optimize your images and enhance your website's performance. Image optimization is not a one-time task. It's an ongoing process that needs to be part of your digital marketing strategy. Let's take a moment to recap the essentials of image optimization that we've covered so far. First and foremost, it's crucial to choose the right file format. JPEG, PNG, and GIF are the most common formats, each with its own strengths. JPEGs are great for complex images with lots of colors, while PNGs excel in maintaining sharpness and quality in simpler graphics. GIFs, on the other hand, are your go-to for animations. Next, we touched on the importance of resizing and cropping. Resizing is all about adjusting the dimensions of your image to fit the space it will occupy on your web page. Cropping, meanwhile, lets you focus on the most important part of the image, eliminating any unnecessary parts. Both techniques are pivotal in reducing file size without compromising on quality. We then delved into the world of compression tools. Remember, a good compression tool is your ally in reducing file size even further, stripping away unnecessary data to make your images lean and fast loading. There are plenty of robust tools out there, both free and paid, that can help you achieve optimal compression without noticeable loss of quality. Finally, we emphasized that the end goal of image optimization is not just to make your website look good. Yes, well-optimized images do enhance the aesthetic appeal of your site, but more importantly, they make your site load faster, providing a smoother user experience. Faster load times, in turn, contribute to better SEO ranking, making your site more visible and attractive to search engines. In a nutshell, image optimization is a multifaceted process that involves choosing the right file format, effective resizing and cropping, and smart compression. It's a potent mix that can supercharge your website's performance and SEO ranking. Remember, image optimization is not just about making your site look good, it's about making it work efficiently. So, start optimizing your images today for a better digital experience.